what you should be doing during this quarantine time. That's what we're going to talk about today. So more than anything, I've seen so many people enjoying Netflix and different other streaming services, and that's fine. However, it would be wise if we all take this time to learn a new skill during this time that we're under quarantine. So rather than catching up on the latest season of Ozark or Tiger King, which I will admit they're very entertaining, is the fact that you might want to be able to enjoy this time, or use this time, better yet, to better yourself and make sure that you learn a new skill that will make you even more employable, even a better professional, a better person, whatever you want to do. Just try to use this time that you have now, so much time in your hands, especially if you're quarantined, to be able to learn something new. You want to learn a new language, you want to learn Portuguese, you want to learn Japanese, you want to learn Chinese, you want to learn how to use write code, whatever it may be. Use this time wisely to try to better yourself and provide something for you in the future, considering obviously the economic downturn, that you will be more marketable, that you will be more employable. That's something that really improves you as a person, as a professional, as a student, as a human being, whatever you want to do. Just use this time wisely, because we may never see something like this again, and hopefully we never will. Nobody wants to be in a situation where it's a pandemic. But let's try to look at the positive, and the positive is that a lot of us have extra time. So if you have extra time in your hands, try to use it for something that will better yourself as a person, a professional, a student, whatever you want to do. So if you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave a comment in this video or write us a private message, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much and have a great day.